Using the standard 13 round magazine, 10 shots at 5 yards, top left target. Here we go, 10 shots. Ooh, right down the middle. Oof. I don't know if that grouping was better than the first one. Oof. I think it might be a slight better than the first. Let's go ahead and push it back to 7 yards. I'm gonna have to reload after the first 3 shots, but I'm aiming for the top right target. Top right target, 7 yards. Here we go. 10 shots. Okay, another 7 shots. Top right target, 7 yards. It looks like I hit everything fairly low.